Colleague is on the floor with Ron Paul. Let's listen.
Andrew, we're here with Dr. Paul, who's getting a tumultuous reception down here, working through the crowd. Dr. Paul, what's your reaction to this reception?
Gentleman from Loyola University I bought it yesterday.
He said that he told me a little bit earlier that the reception was nice. He says he doesn't really bother him. He doesn't wish about things. Doesn't bother him that he's not speaking. But he did say that the rules changes and the platform, and as far as he's concerned, are up for discussion, up for consideration. But of course, Andrea, the Romney campaign and the party officials might have a different idea of that as Dr. Paul continues to move his way through this crowd. He was in the Nevada delegation, which is a stronghold of Paul's support. He's being handed copies of the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence signed as he tries to make his way through the convention hall. Andrea?
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, there.
Thanks a lot, John Yang, right in the middle of the hustle and bustle. Thanks very much.